Seagulls! Who wants more chips? That one has in his mouth. Ah! Look at this. Ah, he's gonna come right at me! Chips! Woo! Let's see if they go for this big pile. There you go. Oh shit. Oh god. Jesus. You like chips? Aw. I wish you guys weren't mean because then I'd keep you as a pet. Hi. Seagull. What are you doing? Oh. Alright, guys, you guys can come back now. They're like chickens of the sea. Oh, look, it's in his mouth. And this is my source of entertainment while I'm at home doing laundry. Right. Empty bag. Peace out.